Today's video is about how to produce a world-class headline for your advertisement. Welcome to another episode of Copywriting for Advertising. Here is a technique for you that will be useful in your own work. First, ask these 3 questions before writing a single word for your headline. Question number 1. Who is your customer? Question number 2. What are the important features of the product? Question number 3. Why will the customer want to buy the product? In other words, what product feature is most important for them, not you. When you have answers to these questions, you will have a clear understanding of the customer, their pain points, their problems, and how your product is going to help them solve that problem. Also, the key selling proposition. In other words, the unique selling proposition or the unique selling point you want to feature in the headline or sub-headline. As you can see, it is important to understand your customer. The more you understand your customer, the more you can sell. The reason is people buy not because they understand the product, they buy because they feel understood. You have to understand that very clear. When it comes to features of the product, people don't care about the features at first. Sometimes they don't understand them clearly. For example, if you are selling a computer, a feature can be this computer has a 1 terabyte hard drive. That does not resonate with the reader. So instead of saying that, you can say something like this. You can store more than 150 high definition movies and all your photo albums in one place, thanks to the 1 terabyte hard drive in this computer. You see, the second statement is benefit driven. Then the reader is thinking like, this sounds interesting. I can store all my files in a single place. Maybe I should check that out. That is how you turn a feature into a benefit. The final question is to make sure that you understand the unique selling point of the product. What makes this product stand out from the rest in the marketplace? That is useful to promote your product in a highly competitive marketplace. Once you have answers for these 3 questions, it's simply a matter of stating these benefits in a clear, compelling, interesting manner. It should be in a way that it makes the reader take notice and want to know about the product. Sometimes if you feel stuck with the headline, let's say, just start writing the body of the advertisement. That way you will automatically have answers to the above questions. Once you are done with the body copy, then you can extract some key points from there and design the headline. Now you know the technique to produce a world-class headline for your advertisement. In your next advertising campaign, if you implement this, you will see a clear boost in sales. I'll see you in the next episode.
Click the subscribe button now. Also click the bell icon to enable notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know when I release a new video.